Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Merging multiple CSV files into a single file is a common task in data processing and analysis. Fortunately, this can be done easily with a few lines of code in Python using the pandas library. Below is a step-by-step tutorial that will guide you through the process. Requirements. Before we begin, ensure you have Python installed on your system along with the pandas library. If you haven't installed pandas, you can do so using pip. Bash. Pip install pandas. Step 1. Prepare your CSV files. Make sure you have the CSV files you want to merge. For this tutorial, let's assume you have 3 CSV files named file1.csv, file2.csv, and file3.csv in a folder called data. Example CSV files. Here's an example of what the CSV files might look like. File1.csv. CSV. ID name age. 1 Alice 30. 2 Bob 25. File2.csv. CSV. ID name age. 3 Charlie 35. 4 David 40. File3.csv. CSV. ID name age. 5 Eve 28. 6 Frank 32. Step 2. Write the code to merge CSV files. You can use the following Python code to merge the CSV files. Python. Import pandas as PD. Import glob. Define the path to the CSV files. Path equals data / use your actual path here. All underscore files equals glob.glob, path plus star.csv, get all CSV files in the folder. Create an empty list to hold the data frames. Data frames equals. Loop through each file and read it into a data frame. For file name in all underscore files. df equals pd read underscore csv, file name. Data frames.append, df, append the data frame to the list. Concatenate all data frames into a single data frame. Merged underscore df equals pd concat, data frames, ignore underscore index equals true. Save the merged data frame to a new CSV file. Merged underscore df dot to underscore csv, merged underscore file dot csv, index equals false. Print, CSV files merged successfully. Step 3, explanation of the code. 1. Import libraries. The pandas library is imported for data manipulation, and glob is used to find all the CSV files in the specified directory. 2. Define the path. Set the path to the folder where your CSV files are stored. 3. Get all CSV files. Use glob.glob to retrieve all CSV files in the specified directory. 4. Read each file. Loop through each file, read it into a data frame using pd read underscore csv, and append that data frame to a list. 5. Concatenate data frames. Use pd concat to merge all data frames in the list into a single data frame. The ignore underscore index equals true argument resets the index in the new data frame. 6. Save the merged data frame. Finally, export the merged data frame to a new CSV file using to underscore CSV, ensuring the index is not included in the output file. Step 4, run the code. Save the code in a Python file, for example, merge underscore csv.py, and run it from the command line. Bash. Python merge underscore csv.py. Step 5, check the output. After running the code, you should find a new file named merged underscore file.csv in your current directory, containing the combined data from all the input CSV files. Merged underscore file.csv. CSV. ID name age. 1 Alice 30. 2 Bob 25. 3 Charlie 35. 4 David 40. 5 Eve 28. 6 Frank 32. Conclusion. You have now successfully merged multiple CSV files into a single file using Python and the pandas library. This method is efficient and can handle large datasets with ease. You can modify the code to suit your specific needs, such as filtering columns, handling missing values, or merging based on specific keys. Happy coding? Certainly. Merging CSV files is a common task in data processing, and it can be easily accomplished using programming languages such as Python. Below is a step-by-step tutorial on how to merge multiple CSV files together using Python with the pandas library, which is a powerful tool for data manipulation. Tutorial: Merging CSV files using Python and pandas. Prerequisites: 1. Python installed. Make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download it from python.org, https://www.python.org/downloads. 2. Pandas library. You should install the pandas library, which can be done via pip. Open your terminal or command prompt and run bash pip install pandas. Step 1. Prepare your CSV files. Place all the CSV files you want to merge in a single directory. For this example, let's assume you have 3 CSV files in a folder called CSV_files. File 1.csv, File 2.csv, File 3.csv. Step 2. Write the Python script. Now, you will create a Python script to merge these files. Open your favorite text editor or IDE and create a new file called merge_csv.py. Here's a simple code example to merge CSV files. Python. Import pandas as PD. Import OS. Define the directory containing the CSV files. Directory equals CSV_files. Change to your directory path. Create an empty list to hold data frames. Data frames equals. Loop through each CSV file in the directory. For file name in os.listdir directory. If file name ends with .csv, construct the full file path. File_path equals os.path.join, directory, file name. Read the CSV file and append the data frame to the list. df equals pd read_csv, file_path. Data frames.append, df. Concatenate all data frames into a single data frame. Merged_df equals pd concat, data frames, ignore_index equals true. Save the merged data frame to a new CSV file. Merged_df.to_csv, merged_output.csv, index equals false. Print, CSV files merged successfully into merged_output.csv. Step 3, run the script. To execute the script, open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the folder where merge_csv.py is located, and run the following command. Bash python merge_csv.py. Step 4, check the output. After running the script, you should see a new file called merged_output.csv in the same directory as your script. This file will contain the combined data from all the CSV files you specified. Explanation of the code. Import libraries. The script imports the pandas library for data manipulation and the OS library for file handling. Define directory. The directory containing the CSV files is specified. List to hold data frames. an empty list is created to store the data frames read from each CSV file. Loop through files. The script loops through all files in the specified directory and checks if they end with .csv. Read CSV files. Each CSV file is read into a data frame and appended to the list. Concatenate data frames. The pd-concat function is used to combine all data frames into one, ignoring the original index. Save merged data frame. The merged data frame is saved as a new CSV file named merged_output.csv. Conclusion. You have now successfully merged multiple CSV files into one using Python and pandas. This method is efficient and can easily be adapted for larger datasets or additional pre-processing steps as needed. You can also modify the script to customize how the files are merged, such as handling different column names or merging on specific keys.